Hey everyone, Josh Crowfoot here, Crowfoot Law Firm in Chattanooga, Tennessee. We're here on day 3 of Commercial Real Estate 101. We're going to discuss title and survey today. And the point of this whole series is to help advise you and protect you when you're entering into a commercial real estate contract for the purchase of commercial real estate. So today with title and survey, I just want to discuss ways to protect yourself when negotiating a provision related to title and survey. What we're talking about here is what you're doing during the due diligence period. So this is during the inspection period. You're the buyer. You have hired an attorney. They have enlisted a title company to do a title search. That title search is bringing up all the things of record that affect the property. They're also searching for bankruptcies, judgments, liens, special assessments, anything that might cost you money down the line that you want to know about up front. And if there is a lien or something to that effect, you as the buyer want to make sure that the seller cures that before closing. When I say cures that, I mean that they pay off the lien before you buy the property, or at least reduce the purchase price by the amount of the lien, whatever that might be. So in the title and survey provisions, you want to make sure that the title commitment gets ordered within so many days of entering into the contract. If you're the buyer and you find title defects, you want to be sure that you deliver those to the seller. The seller has notice of those, and that the seller has a period of time to cure those defects. In other words, to get rid of them before closing. In this part of the contract, there's a back and forth between the parties as to notice and cure, but ultimately, the seller's either going to fix what the buyer finds that's at issue in the property, or the seller's not going to fix that issue. And what needs to happen is the buyer, in a properly drafted contract, is going to be able to walk away from that deal if, with no penalty and with the return of the earnest money deposit, if the seller's not willing to cure the title defects that the buyer needs removed from the property. And with respect to survey, the same thing. You want to make sure that the survey shows all the issues that are going to be a problem, and give notice so that the seller can cure them. Thank you.